Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the problem calmly and precisely. Open Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration to view volume sliders. Check the media slider and increase volume by several steps. Disconnect any Bluetooth devices and unplug wired headphones to rule out external outputs. Restart the phone by holding power for 10 seconds and let it fully reboot. Test sound in multiple apps like YouTube and your music player to confirm the issue persists or resolves. If sound works in some apps, focus on the affected app specifically. Open Settings, then Apps, choose the app, and force stop it to clear active hang states. Tap Storage and clear cache only to avoid data loss. Check permissions and ensure microphone and storage are allowed for media recording or playback. Open Do Not Disturb settings and disable it, confirming sound mode is enabled. Reopen the app and play audio to verify restoration of media sound. When basic fixes fail, move to advanced troubleshooting steps carefully. Boot into safe mode by holding power, then touch and hold restart for 3 seconds to enter safe mode. Test audio there to see if third-party apps cause the issue. Open Settings, tap Software Update, and install any available system patches to fix known bugs. Run device care to optimize performance and check for corrupted files. If sound still fails, book a Samsung service appointment for hardware installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.